Amore mio. Just a few more days, and we will be far away from here. I have everything prepared. The train will take us to Palermo, and then we'll board the ship to America. Make sure you're ready to leave. I will see you soon. Until then, hold tight. Enzo. Ciao, Valentina. Is your mother visiting?
We're alone today. I think he's had a fever. I should check. I almost forgot. I have something for you. For the little one. Thank you. You look after her.
I will. Do you have everything?
I have you. Nothing else matters. Do you think she'll be alright?
Valentina will be looked after. Your father will see to that.
I don't mean like that. I worry about him. About what he might do if he knew she helped us.
Valentina can keep a secret. She's already proven that. I'm sorry you weren't able to say goodbye to your father.
There would have been no way to speak to him without raising hell. Looking at the mountain, that might be happening anyway. I watched the smoke all night, until Valentina came.
Was it hard to get out?
I kept my head down, but the roads were empty. With a mountain like that, people are staying inside.
I haven't seen it do this for years. Soon we won't have to worry about any of it. Not the mountain, not this place. The moment we step foot on that boat, we're free.
I've never been on a boat before. Only watched them come and go at the docks.
Neither have I. Never took much notice of them. Haven't had a reason to until now.
When we get to America, we'll find somewhere that's ours. Doesn't have to be big. Just ours.
I like the sound of that. Minchia. That's Daniele up ahead. One of your father's men.
What do we do?
I'll handle it.
Enzo,
Daniele.
signorina, I didn't realize it was you. Going somewhere?
And the Don asked me to escort Isabella to Porto Almaro. Gennaro Fontanella sent gifts. There's some paperwork.
The new Baron Fontanella. Must be something special if they're holding them down there. Don't let me keep you.
Keep driving. That was too close.
See, even out here, we can't breathe. Not until we leave this place. We won't be the last to go. People want to have some happiness, to leave the old ways behind. I wish Luca had seen that.
Nothing can change that now. We have to live our lives freely. Do that for him. From today, we choose who we are. Finally, here we are. Are you ready to do this?
Yes. There's so much I wanted to tell you. I just couldn't find the words. Everything I have to say is here. had one just like it when I was a boy. But their life will be different. I promise you that.
Leave him without saying goodbye.
Enzo!
I always knew you were trouble, Caruso. Now you're gonna get what's coming to you.
Get your hands off me!
And he's not the only one. Why don't you call and tell us about your dirty little secret? It broke your father's heart. So much for sanctity to confession, huh?
You bastard!
Let her go!
But your sins may yet be absolved. Your father's made arrangements.
No, no, no!
Pick it up. I said, pick it up. Get him out of here.
Enzo, I love you!
I'll find you. I'll find you.
Susciti! Caruso!
Cesare. No, please.
What the fuck were you thinking? You could have had any girl in Sicily. Any girl in the goddamn war. Why her?
Because I love her. I've always loved her.
I don't want to hear it. You thought you could just run off and disappear together?
This life destroys everything good. I had to make a choice.
Minchia, you ruined it. You've thrown away everything my uncle's given you.
What's he given me? Huh? He's made me a thief, Cesare. A murderer.
You did that. You pulled the trigger, always. You chose this.
We have a problem back there? Need something to cover his mouth?
I'm handling it. Just drive.
You saw what happened to Luca. It's only a matter of time before it's me or you.
You stood in that cellar and swore loyalty. You took an oath.
Just don't let anything happen to her. The baby. Please, Cesare, they're all I have.
Enough! You don't get a say in this. Every word you've spoken to me is a lie. And I'm sorry. We were friends. Get out.
Welcome back, Caruso. Smells like home, huh?
Keep walking.
Cesare, please.
Stop. Stop talking.
Don't even think about running.
More bad news, I'm guessing. It only ever gets worse.
The mountain's smoking. We shouldn't be here.
Stop trying to get out of this. You can't. The Don has made up his mind.
Did you find out what happened?
Mind your business.
You two wait outside. In case he tries anything. Inside. Now.
Got him loose. Untie his fucking hands!
Don't worry. I love her.
I welcome you into my family! And you betray me from the start! Are you a man? Put up your hands! You think I would allow it? Huh? A Caruso! That you ruin her! Isabella will marry who I tell her to marry. The new Baron Fontanella, and she will live happily ever after. Because I have a doctor that will wipe every trace of you from this earth. Understand?
But Isabella is...
You shut up!
I beg you, don't Tracy, please!
He was a member of a brotherhood, now he's nothing. If rules aren't upheld, what use are they? You show me you have what it takes. You want to be someone? You take your knife and end him. Cut his fucking throat.
No! There's only one way out now. You knew that when you said the words.
She's your cousin, Cesare.
Now, whatever happens to her is because of you.
Please. Put the knife down. We can stop this now. Walk away together.
You think I'd go anywhere with you, Caruso?
No one will touch you! Not you! Not your uncle!
Enough! We finished this!
Just do it. Come on! Why won't you do it? You're my friend.
It all could have been yours. He gave you everything.
Live for yourself, Cesare. Not for him. Not for this.
You're going nowhere, Caruso! Kill him! I have you now, you rat! Die down!
Minchia! I need to get out. Get to Isabella. I know this shaft. Well, and Gaetano were here.
is a death sentence. We find him and get out of here. Harmony!
Should be a way out ahead.
See him? Can barely see anything down here.
Somewhere around here. Come on.
Scurry around all you like. You won't hide from me. I never should have taken you on. You belong down here, in the dirt.
I got out once, and I'll do it again.
You'll never see my daughter again.
You want to stand between us?
You're nothing. Isabella will forget all about you.
She loves me, and so we'll be far away from here.
Nice way, you fucking son. Get him! He's coming your way!
No, no, no!
Enzo's dead. No disorders.
Come out, Caruso!
Out of this hell and brought sin upon my family. And now I've brought you back. You took an oath. And you betrayed me. My daughter. My fucking daughter!
No, Isabella! Whoa!
You can't escape what you've done! I won't allow it. Fucking snake! Get back here, you bastard! Filthy Caruso!
That is all I ever was to you! Bastards!
You think it's that easy?
Men like you deserve to die!
Men like me stomp on rats like you. could have had it all.
I have everything I need.
So the master. Look at me. Look me in the eye. You can't change. I tried. You're nothing.
Enzo.
Just you and me. Like we said. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Make yourself presentable. You're in enough trouble, don't you think? A car is on its way to take you to a doctor. Clean this stain away.
Tino, you can't do this. Tino, I am begging you, please. You're heartless, why?
You dishonored your father. You shamed this family.
Vaffanculo! Enzo. Oh God. I have to get out of here. I can't leave you here with Tim. A hairpin should work on the door. No use taking this now. Nearly got it. Yes!
But the Madre, the mountain!
We need to get out of here!
She's upstairs. You go straight to the doctor and keep tight hold of her.
Cristo!
Did you hear that? Let me see. Damn. Nothing. Open up now! They want this to happen now? What the fuck are we doing? Nothing's already erupted.
If the dawn gets back and it hasn't been done, we'll be dead anyway.
Signorina,
We don't come out, we'll come in!
she's gone!
What is going on here?
Isabella, she's not in her room.
Minchioni! You let her get away! Find her! Now! No one leaves until that girl is found.
Agostino! Look at the mountain!
No one
You
comes
flew
in or
out.
out.
Shut
He knows
up.
orders.
You shit
was a
yourself
man of
every
every
time.
kind.
Signorina Torisi. Please, you have to help me. They're going to hurt me. My baby. Can you get me out of here?
I can try and distract them. Get out to the cellar.
Oh, grazie.
Be careful, signorina. I saw her, Signorina Torisi.
Where did she go?
I don't know. I think she went out to the back.
I need you to be sure. Tell me where she went.
All right, I'll show you.
Cellar's clear.
Minchia.
Anyone seen her yet?
No. Dino's lost his mind. We'll be buried in ash before we find her. I've never seen it like this.
Signora, come out of there! She's in the cellar! Vai!
Lord, protect me.
Find a way! She's a trap.
No. Gaspare, help me out of here.
I don't have the key! I'm sorry!
Keep looking. She's here somewhere.
I'm sorry! I have to go!
No, minchia. Come on!
Where are you, Signorina? You have to come with us!
Are you down here?
Where are you, Signorina? You have to come with us! Come on! You'll die down here! Come on! You'll die down here! Come out, Signorina! You want to burn alive down here?
Oh, grazie a Dio.
Signora, you've been told.
You know what they'll do!
I have orders. Stop that. Donna, enough.
Leave me alone!
Keep it here.
Madre mia!
Stop hiding! Please, come out so we can stop this!
See her?
Nah, nothing there. Keep your eyes open!
Signorina Torisi. Get out through the garden. It's the only way.
Grazie.
Don't let them see you.
What are we doing? We have to stop. This is madness.
It's what the Don wants.
I won't harm that girl. I won't hand her over to those bastards.
Then you can deal with the Don when he finds out she's gone.
Look around you. Nothing will survive this. I'm leaving.
Vaffanculo.
Where is she?
There you are.
No! No! No!
I will teach you to do as you're told.
Testa di minchia! Let me go! You'll burn in hell, you and my father!
Hey, keep this up, and you'll be there to welcome us.
Bastard!
Enough! Puttana! Fucking bitch!
Leave me, stay back! Where is Enzo? Where is he? Cesare, where is he?
There's nothing for you here now. You need to go.
Come on.
C'è fatto caldo, sembra sotto cucolo sole. Non penserai niente. Travaglia.
Permesso.
Amore mio, we'll remember today for the rest of our lives. It's the day we chose a future for our family. My father left me for dead. Our child will live how they choose. Just knowing that makes everything we've been through worthwhile. I can't undo my past, but you helped me to rise above it. And for that you have my love, my loyalty, forever. Enzo.
Comari Vicenza, minti di violenza, canasci un guangua. Comari Vicenza, minti di violenza, canasci un guangua. Avevi 7 anni, avevi 7 anni che sono maritata, non passa stannata, mi chiamo mamma. Avevi 7 anni